Vitamix E310 Exploration Blender Professional Grade 48 ounce container. 10 variable speeds allow you to refine every texture with culinary precision, from the smoothest puris to the heartiest soups. Layer coarse chops over smooth puris for heartier recipes such as chunky salsas or thick vegetable soups. The 48-ounce container is ideal for blending medium batches for small family meals. Cutting blades, measuring 3-inch diameter to ensure a consistent blend every time. Electrical wrappings 124. Aircraft grade stainless steel blades are designed to handle the tallest ingredients. So from the first blend to the last, you get the same quality results. Cut length 4.5 feet. With a drop of this soap and warm water, your Vitamix machine can clean itself in 30 to 60 seconds. This container is the perfect size for creating small family meals and fits easily under most kitchen cabinets. You're in control. Adjust the speed during the blend to achieve variety of textures, or use the pulse feature to create quick bursts of power. Every Vitamix blender comes with a tamper designed to help process thick, stubborn blends, so you don't have to stop the machine to scrape the sides. Just blend warm water and a drop of this soap at your machine's highest speed and watch it self-clean in 60 seconds. Blend frozen fruit, heavy powder, all the greens. Powerful motors transform those ingredients into smooth blends year after year. Every angle of patented container is designed to pull ingredients back to the blades for faster, smoother blends, creating the Vitamix vortex. Laser cut blades are designed to deliver the same quality results from first blend to last and are resistant to dulling or blending. Blades reach speeds fast enough to create friction heat, bringing cold ingredients to steaming hot in about 6 minutes.